Good morning children, welcome to class 5 computer. So we were seeing about the MS Excel features children. So next class, this one we will see how to open and see the MS Excel children. So for that first one you have to go and click this start button, all programs, Microsoft Office. Okay, you have this MS Excel over here. So you can click on to this. Okay, Microsoft Excel. So click this. So your Microsoft Excel will get opened. Okay, like this. See, it is consisting of horizontal rows and vertical columns like this. Okay, horizontal rows and vertical columns. So when you open this window, you can observe a screen or a window like this has been opened. This is called your spreadsheet. Okay, so that's why the name itself for MS Excel is it's a spreadsheet consisting of rows and columns. Okay, so we will see now the components children. Okay, so the components means what are the parts like this, no? See, you have the clipboard group, font group, alignment group. So this one are called as components. See, you can observe up book 1 Microsoft Excel, that is your title bar. Okay, then here you can see the home, insert, page layout, formulas like this. These are your menus. Okay, or you can say it as tab also. Okay, then each one has been grouped children. So this whole thing one is called is your ribbon. Okay, so ribbon is nothing but it divides the commands into 7 tabs, that is home, insert, page layout, okay, formulas, data, review and view. So you can observe here home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view. So that forms your ribbon children. So then next one here in the leftmost you have the Microsoft Office button. Okay, so this is your Office button. So when you click this, so you can have so many options over there. See, new, open, save as, print, prepare, send, publish, close. So these many options are there in the Office button children. The next one is your quick access toolbar. Okay, so that one it is here. See, customize quick access. So some of the work you will be repeatedly doing. So what are the works? Like opening a file, a new file, saving, undo or redo. So many options are there. So to easily make use of those things, it is called as quick access toolbar. And then you have two scroll bars children. One is horizontal scroll bar. This is your horizontal scroll bar and another one is your vertical scroll bar. Okay. The next one is your formula bar. So this one is your formula bar. Here you will type the formulas children, and then as I told you, this one 7 are ribbons: home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view. See, this one is called groups children. This is a clipboard group. So here you have cut, copy, paste, format painter, and in the font group you can do a bold, italic, underline, increasing or decreasing the text, changing the font size, and then here this alignment group, this is number group, this is styles group, cells group, and this is your editing group. Each one has its own use children. So when you practice only you will come to know. So what are the components we saw today is ribbon, title bar, quick access toolbar, office button. The next one is scroll bars and then status bar. Status bar also here it is children. See, here you can see the status bar. So when you start typing or anything you are doing, no, that time you can see the status over there. Okay, how many sheets or how many words has been typed, see over here children. So take your textbook and read children. See you in the next class.